Hi there, and welcome back to the Avenza MAPublisher Getting Started video series. This video will show you how to create, copy, and delete a map view in MAPublisher. To get started, I want to open an existing file. I'll navigate to the tutorial data folder and select the USA 48 AI file. So the first thing I want to do is open my Map Views panel, which I have already docked at the right sidebar of my workspace. If you have not done this, you can go to the Window menu, find the MAPublisher section, and select Map Views. You can also find the Map Views button in the Properties section of the Map toolbar. Next, I would like to import some data, so I'm going to click the Import button in the Map toolbar. I would like to import a map info table, so I'm going to select this format from the drop-down menu. I can click Browse, open the USA tab file, and click OK to import it. Notice that a map view called USA1 has automatically been created in the Map Views panel. The 1 denotes that a map view already exists with that name, so it adds a suffix to differentiate it. You can also see that each layer comprising the map view is depicted with an icon that represents the feature type contained on each of the map layers, such as the red icons here representing my area layers. Next, I'm going to create a new document with the same page size and orientation as the USA 48 document. Now I would like to copy the map view from the USA 48 document. I can do this by going to the MAPublisher toolbar and clicking Copy Map Objects From. I can also select Copy Map Objects from the Panel Options menu in the Map View panel. This dialog box appears containing a list of available map views. Map views currently open in any Illustrator document will show up here. In my case, USA and USA1 are available to copy. I would like to copy USA, so I will check its box and click OK. You can see that the USA map view and its layer have been copied into the new document. Both the original scale and position of the USA map view have been maintained. If other map objects were present, they could be copied into my new document as well. I'm now going to close the new document and return to the USA 48 document. In the Map Views panel, I'm going to select the USA map view. I will then open the Panel Options menu and select Duplicate USA. This dialog box appears, which allows me to select any layers I wish to duplicate. I only want to duplicate the map view, so I will simply click Duplicate. As you can see in the Map Views panel, a new map view named Copy of USA has been created. Next, I would like to delete the original USA map view. I will select it again and click Delete from the Map Views panel. This dialog box appears that warns me that the map view is not empty. This means that any layers associated with this map view will also be deleted along with it. I'm okay with this, so I'm going to click the button, and you can see that both the map view and its layers have been deleted. I hope this video teaching you how to create, copy, and delete a map view have been helpful. Thanks for watching.